Ranak everybody, FEArytales in touch, and today we'll talk about Ansys software and how to obtain it for free and do it legally. No, it's not a clickbait. For almost everyone and for almost any task, there are present the way to do it. But you need to understand that some limitations are present and it's not for any purpose. For any task, for everyone, but not for any purpose. And even with everyone, there are also some limitations, but we will talk about this later. So, you maybe know that Ansys software is very expensive software, and the most right way to obtain Ansys software is to buy it, to spend a lot of money. But there are also additional alternative way when you can find the free version of Ansys, but it's almost always illegal. So we don't talk about illegal ways, we don't promote that, that's a bad way, don't do that. We talk about the legal one. And the legal one is to search for Ansys student version. If you search the student version, you will open the Ansys site, and you will see that every software from Ansys have their student version. And this is fully functional software which have limitation only by size of this task and only by some purpose. So you can use this software for self-education, you cannot use this software for commercial use and so on. And the problem is that this is student software. So if you are not a student, you can think that it's not for you, but it's not so. When a couple years ago, Ansys company, firstly with cooperation with big university, create a couple of online courses, and then when Ansys create their own portal for self-education, couple of years ago it was courses Ansys.com, now it's Innovation Spaces Ansys.com, and this is a very big portal with a lot of information, with a lot of courses for every Ansys software, for every type of physics, and you can find here a lot of tutorials for solving different type of practical tasks. You can find a lot of information about theoretical background. You can find a lot of information about how the software look like and work. So you can use these courses for self-education, and you can use the Ansys student version for this self-education with these courses, even if you are not a student for this moment. Even if you are a lot of year spent in industry and now a good professional, but you want to learn new software like Ansys to kickstart your career and so on. And in kickstarting your career can be very helpful badges that you obtain when you finish those courses, and these badges you can put on your LinkedIn page and in your profile. So, why I think that everyone can use this Ansys software for free, Ansys student version. Unfortunately, I can't open the page student.confirm.net. It doesn't work in my Mozilla, but I can open it in other browser. So this is student.confirm.net. And Confirm, it's one of the Ansys partner, and you can find this phrase free of charge for everyone who wants to learn Ansys. Valid 1 year, renewable at any time. And the same phrase you can find in a license agreement while installation, so it's really for everyone who wants to learn Ansys. It can be used in commercial task. It can be used for people who live or have citizenship from the country with sanctions, but almost everyone can download and use this software for free for self-education in mechanical, in CFD background, in physics simulation background, in learning Ansys. So please use it. It's very helpful. And use Ansys courses additionally. It's even more helpful.